The product that I'm going to review today is called TrafficX Pro. This is a brand new software that will launch on July 7th, 2019. And what this software does is it creates fully automated, self-updating websites that you can use to earn money and commissions every single day. And what that really means is that this software will actually go out, find content for you, trending viral content, and create a website for you with curated content on it. And you can add your affiliate links to that content, or you can sell your own product and promote whatever you want. So you can imagine now that you're going to get 100% free content and traffic, and you can do this in 60 seconds. That's how long it takes this software to go out and search and find you that content. You'll do this in seconds instead of spending hours creating new sites, and you can do this on any topic you want because you don't have to do any of the research or any of the content creation. You're going to be able to create a brand new site, if you wish, every single day with your morning coffee, and then you're not going to have to do anything to touch that site because it will constantly update and find new content to be added every day. And you're going to be able to earn commissions from all this free traffic, from the free content, and even free videos that will be placed on your site without you doing any manual work. And you're going to be able to use the power of social media to your advantage to get this free traffic, because what this product does is it searches social media for all viral content, trending, brand new viral content, which you can then put on your website for you. So can you imagine what it would feel like to have all this leisure time while the software does all the work for you automatically? You do not have to sit and sweat over a computer for hours upon hours to just find content, even a single piece of content for your website. And the TrafficX Pro can do all this for you. No matter what business or niche you're in, if you need passive income, you can use this software to find you the passive income. It's so simple and powerful that anybody can use it. You do not need to have any sort of technical experience to be able to use this software efficiently. No matter what else you've tried, no matter what other promises you've been made that would have probably failed, this one will not. You can take a look at the demo video right here, and you can get an idea exactly how the software works and how easy it is to work and how easy it would be for you to get it to start working for you. So what are the key benefits that this software provides? Well, TrafficX Pro is a viral content research and curation platform. What it does is it searches all sorts of social media sites, and here are just some of them: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Dailymotion, YouTube, and Pixabay, and it will find the most viewed, shared, and downloaded content. This is content that the public is looking at right now, and it's highly trending content, so you know people want to see it. It will curate that content, make it unique for you, and it'll publish it on your site. It even has the ability right now at this point to automatically link Amazon and eBay affiliate links. So if you're an affiliate of either one of those networks, you can automatically have affiliate sites placed in that content. In a nutshell, TrafficX Pro is all the following. It's a content research, curation, publishing, and monetization platform all rolled into one. So what comes with this product and what will it cost you? Well, the front end of TrafficX Pro, which I've just described for you, is on sale during the launch period for the sum total of $22 one-time cost. That's it, $22, and you get the software that can continuously and automatically create websites for you. The number one upsell is the TrafficX Pro Unlimited Profits Edition. The TrafficX Pro comes with, the front-end product comes with 10 sites. You can use it to build 10 sites. With upsell number one, you can use it to build unlimited sites. So it makes no difference what niche you're in. You can pick any niche. If you hear about something today that's trending, you can have a website up and running in minutes on that niche, and you will have to worry about paying for anything extra to have this software do that for you. Upsell number 2 is the 100-time advanced edition. Now what this does is it taps into the hottest niches for you automatically. It will search out the hottest niches and it will automatically create breaking news sites for you every single day. All you have to do is plug in the hottest trend of the day and the software does the rest immediately. Upsell number 3 is the done-for-you money sites. Now, you can have this done where it's 100% hands-free. You can use this upsell and it will build all these sites for you. You have to do nothing. And they'll give you 20 of the hottest sites that are set up for the most viral, trending traffic. You don't have to lift a finger. You can get it done for you. Upsell number 4 is the Super Traffic Machine. Now, what this does is this software, this upsell, will build you your own affiliate store in addition to your site. And you can then link your affiliate store to your site and your site to an affiliate store, to your affiliate store. So you can have traffic coming into your site and automatically have it funneled right over to your affiliate store. And vice versa, if somebody happens to be looking at your affiliate store, this will send them back to the main website as well, where they can see other trending things and potentially buy other stuff from you. And then upsell number 5 is the licensed rights program. Now what this does is it allows you to sell this software, to sell the TrafficX Pro software and all the upsells as your own. And you get to keep 100% of the profits. So it's $197 one time. You can sell all these products, keep 100% of the profits. And the best part is you don't have to worry about taking care of support. They will take care of any support issues from anybody who buys through your link. So you sell it and you literally forget it. You no longer have to worry about anything that goes on with any of your customers. You are 100% protected. Now, if you'd like to get your own copy of TrafficX Pro, you can click on any of the red buttons on my review page. It'll be taken directly to the product sales page where you could access your own copy of the product. But in addition, I have my own exclusive bonuses for people who buy through my link. These bonuses are exclusive to me. I've created them exclusively for you. You will not find them anywhere else, and you can get them if you purchase TrafficX Pro through my link. So bonus number 1 is a tutorial on how to find a profitable product to sell on Amazon. This is the top 50 hottest Amazon products in 2019. We're looking here, this software deals with trending issues, things that are very hot right now. So would you rather sell a product that was very popular 2 years ago, or would you attempt to sell a product that's popular and hot right now? Obviously, the second one is going to be the choice that you want to do, because that's the one that's going to make you the most money. Well, this tutorial will show you how to find that product. And then you can set up your niche sites to focus on that product, have them be relevant to that particular product. Bonus number 2 is the easiest way to find trending products in 2019. Now, this is all products. This is not unique to Amazon products. There are all sorts of new products which are coming out every single day. All sorts of gadgets, all sorts of software, and many of these things catch on very quickly and they become trending hot products. This tutorial will show you how to find those products. So those are the products that you want on your website. Bonus number 3 is how to use Google Trends. And this is a 2019 update. Now, Google Trends is a very, very powerful product. It doesn't only tell you trends. It gives you a lot more information about those trends. And once again, this software is something you want to use to jump on trends. Well, if you can use Google Trends software to find those trends that you want to put in your site and have your site speak about and create content about. This tutorial will show you the best ways to use Google Trends. Bonus number 4 is how to find the most searched keywords. Now, the way this software works, the way the TrafficX Pro works is you put keywords into the search engine on that software. It will search all those social media sites and find product or content related to those keywords. Well, how do you find the best keywords? If you find the best keywords, that's the first step into having a very successful website that earns you a lot of money. Well, this tutorial will teach you how to find the most searched keywords, and those are the keywords you want to put into the software and have the software create content about those specific keywords. And then finally, bonus number 5 is the 7 best affiliate networks for 2019. These affiliate networks are where you will find the most profitable affiliate offers for your audience. And again, you want to go with the best product, the stuff that's selling the most right now, because that is what's trending. And that's what you want to focus these websites on. So once again, if you'd like to get your own copy of TrafficX Pro, you can click on any of the links on my review page. Or if you like, you can go and click on this link, which you'll find in the description in the below this video, and this will take you directly to the sales page where you can get TrafficX Pro and my exclusive bonuses. If you'd like to take a look at my review page, you can click on this link, which will take you directly to my review page, and that link will also be in the description below this video. So best of luck to you. I would tell you, get this product and start creating those hot trending websites right away.